Sir, my concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. Do I not destroy my enemies, and I make them my friends? When I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad. And that's my religion. I like to see a man proud of the place in which he lives. I like to see a man live so that his place will be proud of him. That some achieve great success is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. The shepherd drives the wolf from the sheep's throat, for which the sheep thanks the shepherd as his liberator, while the wolf denounces him for the same act as the destroyer of liberty. Plainly, the sheep and the wolf are not agreed upon a definition of liberty. A friend is one who has the same enemies as you have. We should be too big to take offense and too noble to give it. A woman is the only thing I am afraid of that I know will not hurt me. The things I want to know are in books. My best friend is the man who'll get me a book I ain't read. You have to do your own growing, no matter how tall your grandfather was. Marriage is neither heaven nor hell, it is simply purgatory. The best way to get a bad law repealed is to enforce it strictly. I remember my mother's prayers, and they have always followed me. They have clung to me all my life. Let not him who's houseless pull down the house of another, but let him work diligently and build one for himself, thus by example assuring that his own shall be safe from violence when built. No man is good enough to govern another man without the other's consent. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves, and under the rule of a just God cannot long retain it. Common-looking people are the best in the world. That is the reason the Lord makes so many of them.